Can you date a lady that takes in carbon monoxide?
Now food be that, man.
God have mercy upon us.
What's up, bro?
I'm good.
I'm Shabali. What's your name?
Pelumi.
Pelumi, you're Yoruba?
Mixed.
With Igbo, right?
Yeah.
You look like an Igbo guy, actually.
I'm a Yoruba boy.
Alright, Pelumi, are you talented?
Yeah. I am.
So, what are you good at?
I'm good at singing, sleeping.
For what? Is it for a bar?
If you are good at sleeping, you cannot sleep here. You understand? So, the only one you can show us here is for you to sing for us.
Any song?
Just any song.
Any song will come to my head.
Anyone.
Okay. Any song, Abby.
Sure.
Put it.
Drive me there!
I'm only one call away. I'll be there to save your day. Superman got nothing on me. I'm only one call away. And when you wake,
Hold on. Are you single?
yes.
Sorry. But you learned this song when you got heartbroken, right?
No, I actually listen to sax songs.
Oh, that's I
Practice before you get heartbroken.
Oh, sorry. So now, okay, if I am to offer you a lady or a girl for you to date now, can you date a girl that takes in carbon monoxide?
What's going on here?
It's me carbon monoxide. That is air now.
I don't know.
Carbon monoxide na air now. Nah. Whoa, I thought someone I don't ask English. Yeah, carbon monoxide. Where is carbon monoxide? The breathe out. Okay, now I'll come breathe on in.
Carbon monoxide.
Wait, what is the question again?
Can you date a lady that takes in carbon monoxide?
Now food be that, man.
God have mercy upon us.
Like pizza or shawarma, right?
Yes.
Alright, okay, Pelumi. Thank you so much. God bless you.
I'll go search for that carbon monoxide. Carbon dioxide. No, this is hello.